Alright, what is going on, guys? We are back on a motorcycle finally. If you didn't know, I'm in college and I sold the bike when I came to college. I bought it, sold it within 6 months of each other, and then I waited about 6 more months and found the right Mustang, which is the Mustang I have now. Anyway, long story short, my good friend Kevin has loaned me this motorcycle for an hour, and I said, hey, can I make a video or two on your bike? I would really love it. I miss riding. Made him a deal, so I hooked him up with a front tire. Not for free, but for a discount. He let me ride it, so that's what we're doing today. Today, I know for sure we're going to show you Clemson and all its glory. Right now, we have like some barstool thing going on downtown, so that'll be fun to ride through. And we might go to the lake. I don't know. But this thing is so much fun. Just riding it to his apartment, to this like abandoned grocery store. Wow, it is so good. Let's just have fun. Let's see what happens. Let's see what we can get into. Well, not get into. Let's see what we can find some fun things. So, don't know the year, but this is an FZ07 and pretty basic stuff, just like a slip-on, a Bazzaz, levers, turn signals, you know, just the basic stuff. He did tell me this right here is messed up because he looped it doing a wheelie because he did a burnout and got so much traction with the tire, it just looped him. Fixed it up, and here we are. I think that's it. Let's start it up. And this thing sounds really good. Like, this thing is so loud. What I'm gonna do now is, you know, we'll go downtown. We'll just go through downtown, and we'll see what's happening there. I'm gonna be honest, I kind of forgot how to turn, so turning's a little rough right now. And these bars just feel a little bit shorter than what I'm used to. So, forgive me on my turning capabilities. It's been a couple years. And also, he didn't install that front tire I gave him. So the tire's still like, it's not a slick tire, but it's pretty worn. And I also forgot a backpack, so my phone and my wallet are in my pants. And I don't want them going flying out. We got some pop. We'll talk about Clemson later. We'll go through campus in a little bit. I like this FZ07. It has a fuel gauge with bars, not just a, hey, you got like a gallon left, and then it also has a gear indicator. I know that's like a noob thing, but it's always just, it's a nice little reminder just to have. So basically, if you don't know anything about Clemson, Clemson University is in Clemson, South Carolina. It is a college town. There's 1.5 downtown streets. Yes, 1.5. It's a main strip with half a little cutaway. Well, I guess there's 2 half cutaways, so it's a it's a 2-road downtown. But it's such a small place, but it's so much fun. There's a lot to do in such a small area. You got the lake, you got the mountains, you got pretty much anything you can think of. I still got that downshift though. They've done a lot of construction recently. Like this whole apartment complex you'll see is brand new within the last 2 years. This is called Douthit Hills. They built it starting my freshman year, and it took about 2 years. So it opened up last year. This is my 4th year. If you can't do math, that's okay. I can't either. And a red light. Gotta love speed bumps. So this light's gonna get hot because nothing ever happens here. Clemson also has pretty good like car culture. A lot of the students, especially freshmen, have that daddy's money. They have just ridiculous cars, like a wide-bodied S550 Mustang, GT obviously. Tesla's around. I've seen Maseratis. There's a lot of those Jaguar coupes. They're like the F-type coupes. There's just like a lot of those for some reason. I've seen about 5 here. Like, it's not even, like, I know it's like 50 grand, but I don't know what it is about that car. Thanks, Kevin. You can't adjust the mirror up. Speaking of car culture, we have a Rallycross club where, roll call, brother, raise hell, praise Dale, where, so we shut down a parking lot called C1. I'll show y'all later. We set up a little rally course, and it's like a time attack type of deal. I have not done that yet because I don't trust the Mustang. I need to do suspension. We got a Jeep club. Off-roading here is ridiculous. We got an off-roading club. There's tons of Jeeps, tons of lifted trucks. It is an ag school, so of course you do need those for your job if you are doing ag. Other than that, it's just a lot of randoms, but it's pretty good here. I'm not complaining. It's better than Columbia. Bike life here is not that good. There's a lot of mopeds. I also am gonna be nice and give him a full tank of gas. Somehow we went up a bar probably because gasoline expands. Gasoline also evaporates, but gasoline expands if you didn't know. So on a hot day, it expands. You know, just being nice. It's the least I could do really for trusting him with my bike after he just fixed it up. Right now, this is Bowman and Tillman. This is like the OG university. Like, that was the first building here. And whenever game day comes, we set up on Bowman, right down by this road over here. There's a lot of traffic this year for some reason. They have repaved this road. And there are the pops again. We'll be taking a right into downtown, and all these buildings are just apartments. Again, it's kind of a whole lot of nothing, but there's a lot in that nothing. So this is where, like, Barstool, there's something else going on here. There's like a concert tonight. It's ridiculous. It's just like pre-game day stuff. Oh yeah, so if you didn't know, it's Wednesday currently. Happy Wednesday, guys. Happy hump day. Tomorrow is Thursday. We don't have class because we have a night game. All the donators who have parking spots want to come tailgate at like 8 a.m. apparently. So we canceled class, which is fantastic. I mean, it's pretty fun to be here. Yeah, see, Natty tour. So I'll probably end up here tonight. We got Barstool at TD's, which is one of the top bars to go to. And then we got a bunch of like gift shops. I don't know. So this is Main Strip downtown. Oh, now we gotta wait for this sucker. Oh, people, come on. When can you learn? Study Hall's another bar. Triple T's is another bar. All these people are waiting on the bus, I think. And I mean, we got corporate things like Moe's, Chipotle, Jimmy John's, but we also got local stuff. Not a lot of local stuff. Like a pizza place that was right there just went out of business. They moved on campus, which may be a smart move. Yeah, that's it. That's downtown. Welcome. How are you? Carolina Squat. I mean, we got a post office. We got some Rite Aid places. Yeah, so that's it. We got a Starbucks, of course, for all the white girls here. That was downtown. Also, it's like 80 something right now, which, you know, is really good when you're going and in the shade, but in the sun on a hot bike. What is this girl doing? She's yelling. Isn't that good? Yeah. Oh man, we got a Borla on this Jeep. Hell yeah, buddy. I call this place like fast food central, because this is where all the big corporations go. Waffle House, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Taco Bell, Cookout. And then you always need a vape shop. You always need a vape shop wherever you go. That's Clemson itself. Man, gas up here is cheap. Premium on my car for $2.53. Up here we got Lake Hartwell. There's two lakes. It's one giant river cut off by a small river. This is Lake Hartwell. Come on, Bessie! Oh yeah, and then we got, again, Aldi, Five Guys, Petsmart. That's all new in the past year, which I'm tempted to turn into here. Ooh! Main thing is I don't want to wait on that road. It's a 55 and it's like 2 lanes and nobody really ever like pays attention. Just trying to avoid getting hit. Yeah, all this is supposed to be like sold or something and nobody really knows what's going there. So it'll be fun to see what comes and what is new. But yeah, that cut through worked. So we'll go to the beach right now. That's right. Clemson has their very own beach. I don't know, we might go for a swim. There's the beach. We got intramural fields. I mean, I could traverse it, but I don't want to risk it. There's a shed or a barn there. It burned down just like 8 a.m. one morning, real random. They're rebuilding that, but the beach is right there. You can see the lake. GoPro won't pick it up. Thanks, GoPro. So now we'll go to the other part of downtown, which is more bars. Shocking, right? Oh God. Oh, and it goes downhill into a turn. Okay. Yep, no one's behind me, so we can take it slow. But yeah, a lot of the dirt up here is clay. So real fun, if you know what I mean. They also made this more parking, more money. Gotta have all the monies for their honeys like Trevor. Ooh, she gets up and goes. This bike is really fun. I've heard great things about, well, not like this bike. Okay, this bike in particular is really fun, but the FZ07 in general is really fun. It's what I heard. There's a stadium. We'll go by the stadium too. It's real chaos. It'll be fun. Jake the Garden Snake has one, says it's really fun and they just sound really good in person, and that's true. Going back to me, like I worked at a Yamaha store and we sold FZ07s and they were good, but I've never ridden one. I've only ridden R6 and a ZX6R. We'll go across Bowman again. There's Little John. That's Basketball Coliseum. I mean, it's a real easy clutch. It lets out pretty far, but... Alright, so SO's a bar, but... Oh yeah, they got all the shelf with beer on it. That's pretty cool. Alright, truck, don't hit me. I don't want that. Go into campus, do a tour there. I drive a diesel. I got 2 smokestacks. It's got a power flow. Yeah, so they repaved this road, right? And they're doing it all spring semester, so this whole area was closed. And we have our spring game. And they paved this road for that one game and then dug it back up. That's how ridiculous Clemson is with their, like, roads. Okay, sir. Okay, don't wait. We have the same helmet. Let's see if this guy will let me creep by him. Nah, he's got AirPods in. Wonder how close I can get. What's up, dude? Oh yeah, so Kevin was telling me before, so you know how my wheels are super wrap, right? Videos here and here, right? Also, no, I'm too lazy to put them in the bio. But this, like, everything black metallic is super wrap, right? So this bike was, I don't know what color it was, but he painted it like a metallic black. Oh yeah, it was blue. That's right. But he said it was like 6 to 8 months old. It's like held up really well, so I'm pretty confident about my stuff on my wheels and everything that it'll hold up, because I'm going for that 1 year time frame like my Plasti Dip was. You're God. I don't know what I said. Thanks. Here's good old Tillman, and this is good old Death Valley Memorial Stadium. And this is Cooper. This is the library.